we are going to see the shortest method to take square root of a perfect square numbers. In order to understand, let's get into the analysis. If you see all these square numbers, you can notice a point that the unit digit of all these square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. Includes 0 also. Another point we need to notice, the missing numbers are 2, 3, 7 and 8. From here I am concluding two things. The numbers which are ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 must not be a perfect square number. Whereas the remaining numbers, which means the numbers ending with the remaining unit digits, may or may not be a perfect square numbers. So the next question, how to take square root for a perfect square number within fraction of seconds? In order to know, we need to understand the companion numbers. So see guys, the unit digit number 1 comes in which perfect square numbers? 1 square 1, 9 square 81. Whereas 4 comes under 2 square 4 and 8 square 64. Next 6 comes under 4 square 16, 6 square 36. 9 comes under 3 square 9 and 7 square 49. And another 5. So in order to solve within fraction of seconds, you have to grasp the companion numbers. How do I remember, sir? That is a shortcut. See guys, if I add the companion numbers, I am getting the result called 10, which means 1 plus 9, 10, whereas 2 plus 8, 10, 4 plus 6, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 5. Obviously we already know the unit digit 5 comes in the perfect square of 5 only. So no need of any shortcuts. So see guys, if I am asking the companion numbers of 1, you know 1 square is 1. So what number I should add with 1 in order to get the 10? 9. So 1 and 9 are companion numbers of 1. If I take an example of 9, the companion numbers, I can say 3 square 9, I should add 7 with 3 to get 10. So 3 and 7 are companion numbers of 9. Parallelly, for 4, 2 square 4. So 2 plus 8 gives 10. So 2 and 8 are the companion numbers of 4. And etc. So with which knowledge I need to understand what are the procedures to solve the questions. So first take this number guys. So if you notice the unit digit is 9. So I am writing the companion numbers of 9. So I knew 3 square 9. I need to add 7 plus 7 with 3 in order to get 10. So the companion numbers of 3 and 7. So next, since this is a square root, I need to strike off 2 digits. If it is a cube root, I need to strike off last 3 digits. Since it is square root, I am striking out last 2 digits. So from the remaining digit, I should note what is the perfect square which is equal to or less than the number which is remaining. And I know 2 square 4. So either 23 will be my answer or 27 will be my answer. So this is the deciding step. Whether 23 is answer, 27 is answer. So which number I have selected guys? I selected 2. I need to multiply the number with the next number, which means if I have selected 2, the next number is 3. I need to multiply 2 into 3. So my answer will be 6. See guys, this is a very crucial point. So the number which is present in the question is my number. And the number, this is the number which I have found. So if my number is less than the number found, then the answer is the least number. If my number is greater than the number found, then my answer is the greatest number. Since here my number is less than the answer found, the answer is 23. Hope you can understand. Get into this question. The unit digit is 5, so the only possibility is 5. See guys, here there is no two possibilities because there is no two companions, only one companion is there. Then I am striking off 2 digits. Now I need to see the perfect square which is equal to or less than 90. 9 square 81. So 95 is my answer. Submitting, sir, here you get into the deciding step, but here it is not there. Why, sir? Sir, deciding step is to decide which is the right possibility. But here only one possibility is there. So deciding step is not there if the unit digit is 5. So guys, here we can solve the problems within fraction of seconds. See, unit digit 9. So the companions are 3 and 7. I am striking off last 2 digits. Perfect square is 3 3s are 9. So either 33 or 37 will be my answer. I have selected 3. Multiplying with the next number. So 12. Here my number is less than the number found. So my answer is 33. It is 6. The companions of 6 are 4 and 6. Now striking out the last 2 digits. The perfect square number equal to or less than 19, that is 4 4s are 16. So either 44 or 46 is my answer. Now I have selected 4. Multiplying the next number, I am getting 20. Here my number is less than the found number. So the answer is the lesser number. Similarly, unit digit is 9. So companions are 3 and 7. Striking of the last 2 digits. Perfect square numbers equal to or less than 32, that is 5 5s are 25. So 53 or 57 will be my answer. Now I have selected 5, multiplying the next number, that is 30. So see here guys, my number is greater than the found number. So my answer will be the greater number. And companions of 1 are 1 and 9. Striking of the last 2 digits. Perfect square number is 6 6 are 36. So 61 or 69. I have selected 6. Multiply with the next number. 6 7s are 42. So my number is greater than the selected number. So the answer is 69. That is greater number. See guys, unit digit is 5. So 5 itself. Striking of the last 2 digits. See guys, 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. So my answer will be, without any deciding step, I can end with 75. So hope you have understood. See guys, the overall analysis. About the overall analysis, the number which are ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 are not exactly perfect square numbers, whereas the numbers ending with the remaining numbers may or may not be perfect square numbers. Similarly, in order to take the square root of a perfect square numbers, we should be well versed with the companions. The companions for 1 are 1 and 9, 4 are 2 and 8, 9 are 3 and 7, 6 are 4 and 6, 5 is 5. So the number which is ending with the unit digit 5 has only one possibility, so there is no deciding step at all. Procedure for deciding step: see the unit digit, write the companions, strike out the last 2 digits, see the perfect square numbers equal to or less than the remaining number, write those numbers and multiply the selected number with the next number in order to predict whether the smallest number or the largest number is my answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you.